In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transcribe a meeting on Microsoft Teams. This is a really handy feature, especially for keeping track of what's discussed during your meetings, ensuring nothing gets overlooked. So let's dive in and see how you can seamlessly get a transcription of your next Teams meeting. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Microsoft Teams website. You'll probably already know the URL, but if not, just search for Microsoft Teams in your browser and it should pop right up. Once you're on the site, direct your attention to the top right corner and click on the Sign In button. This is where you'll log in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account yet, make sure you create one, as you'll need it to access Teams. After you're signed in, navigate over to the Chat section. You can usually find this on the left side of the Teams interface. Once you're in chat, look for a button labeled Meet Now. Give that a click. This feature is a fantastic way to quickly kick off a meeting without having to set up a scheduled event. When you're ready to begin, click on Start Meeting and your meeting will kick into gear. Now that your meeting is running, let's enable the transcription. Move your eye to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find a More button. Click on it. This button unveils a set of options you might not see right on the main screen. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Language and Speech. This is where you get to the tools you'll need for transcription. After clicking here, you'll see an option titled Show Live Captions. Enabling this option starts the live captions feature, which is vital if you're looking to create a transcription in real time. It's a helpful way, especially if you have participants who prefer reading text to audio or if there are any kind of language barriers. And there you have it, a streamlined way to transcribe your Microsoft Teams meetings in just a few clicks. This tool is a brilliant way to not only keep records of your conversations, but also to ensure that everyone is on the same page. If you need to catch up on any details, you'll have a written record to refer back to. I hope you found these steps easy to follow and helpful. Try it out in your next meeting and see how much smoother your workflow can become. Thank you for watching and happy transcribing.